you teach me how can I say I love you in your original language? How can I say I love you in your language? How can I say that?
Wait.
Okay.
No talking. Wait.
Okay. How can I say
So,
how can I say
so.
how can I say how can I say I love you?
Sabar.
Okay. Okay.
Sabar.
Can you
So.
teach me?
Astaghfirullah.
Can you
So.
teach me how can I
Like
how can I
sabar.
Bro, relax, you're shaking.
Sabar.
Okay, bro.
So.
Okay.
So.
Go ahead.
Okay. So.
The mic for you.
Sabaru
Can you
like
teach me?
sabar
Can you
Sabar.
bro, relax.
So.
Okay. Can you teach me?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. I tell. Wait.
Okay.
So.
How can I say
No
how
sabaru
can I say bro,
So.
relax. Okay.
So.
I wanna repeat after you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
How can I say I love you?
Till my talk.
Okay.
So.
I'm gonna repeat.
Okay. Sabar.
Okay, bro. Okay.
So.
Me sabor. Okay. How
So.
can I say
No sabaruka.
the mic for you? The mic for you.
You stop. First stop.
Okay.
Stop. So.
Can you teach me how can I?
Sabar.
Okay.
Sabar.
Your age.
29.
Your age, bro.
29.
Your age.
29.
Your original age.
29.
Your age, bro.
29.
Your age, bro. Your age. Bro, your
29.
age. Your age, bro. Bro, your original age. I mean your original. Bro, your age. Your age, bro. Bro, your age. Your age, bro. Bro, your age. Relax.
Okay.
Single, married.
Like
Married,
sabaruka.
single.
Like
Married.
sabaruka.
Married, single.
Sabaruka kala.
Bro, relax. Until now, I don't know you are very angry. I don't know why. Relax, bro. Bro, relax. Relax, bro. Until now, guys, believe me. Until now, I don't know. He's very, very angry. For what?